Hello everyone, welcome to how to browse a YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'll show you how you can bevel only vertices. So let's jump right into the video. Now what you have to do is pretty simple. Just press on tab, go to edit mode, and here select the vertices that you like to bevel, and then Control B, and now press V. And now, as you can see, that's what we can do. And that's pretty much it. That's how you bevel only vertices. Control B and then V. All right. Control B and then V. Okay. And now let's select this, Control B, V. And that's pretty much how you do it. I hope this short tutorial saved you time. Thank you for watching, and also don't forget, if you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments section. Thank you for watching this video.